Zimbabwe's military has suffered a steady and troubling loss of senior leadership since 2018, with a growing number of high-ranking officers dying over the past years. The latest being Major General Herbert Chingono in March 2026. Sadabina mashoko pangona chinzi military leadership loses mound as a senior officer's death raised concern. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Newsbite Zimbabwe Nobdanyara chiti Major General Chingono, described as a decorated member of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces (IDF), becomes the most recent addition to a long list of senior officers whose deaths have thinned the upper ranks of the military. He joins a long and growing roll call of deceased prominent figures, including former Air Force Commander Perence Shiri, former Minister Sibusiso Moyo, and the Army Commander Lieutenant General Edzai Chimonyo. The following is a reverse chronological list of senior military figures who have died, among others, highlighting the significant toll on the country's defense forces. Anoposta list ya generals to date yamurikuna ina 2026 yakono konzi ikulidiwa nana Major General Herbert Chingono na Brigadier General Richard Jonathan Willie Hungwe. 2025 ano list again my generals wana Brigadier General Mark Charles Chimwaza, wana Brigadier General Victor Mujeri, wana Major General Solomon Siziwa. 2024 again another list. 2023 another list. Emma General Oga anokonzi these generals vakutosvika amenoti vakutosvika how many kuti each and every year almost a month kutozikanwa kunzi kuna general who is now being laid at the heroes acre. Some of the generals vamwe avazo listed here. If you see the likes of ana Comrade Bomb Shogeza, those vanozozikanwa kunzi war veterans, vanhu vakateka part in the liberation war. And these people, Nemaguma veterans, are per list, but they are known. They sacrificed their lives to liberate our country. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.